জয় বিশ্বেশ্বরী জয় বিশালাক্ষী জয়।
Look, I think you have mistaken. I'm a maid servant here. Masters keep maids to work for them, right? Is there any other work? Please tell me, what do I need to do?
Oh my. You are ready with your answers. That is why one should never help others. Hey, let's go from here. Let's go.
Careful.
No. What am I thinking? He'll get married soon. He'll marry someone of his choice. Mother will choose her. I won't bear any hope anymore. I'll never dream about it again. I don't have the right.
Did you hear that, Kalpana? What Rangana said is really dangerous. They are again planning to throw her out of the house. No. We can't let this happen. We have to stop her from signing the divorce papers by any means. There is another important thing to do. We need to create some space for Nayan and Deepu's heart, so that Deepu can realize her value. That's really hard to do, Kalpana. Still, I will try. Just be with me. Please support me.
Deepu! Please come, we are hungry. Give me Deepu's cloth.
Come have a seat.
Deepu, this is for you, especially freshly made.
Wait.
Won't you eat?
Where is she? Why isn't she serving the food? What happened, Mom? Why isn't the new maid present here? Why isn't she here?
I did not tell.
You didn't call her, right? But she should serve the food, as she's joined as a maid here.
Well, exactly so. We didn't hire her so that she can sit around and have fun. I don't understand. There are enough maids in this house. Why hire a new one? Why? Anyway, my sister is very kind. That's why she got the chance to stay here. She would be around Sanjukta and help her. She should focus on her work, am I right? But she's nowhere to be seen. Where the heck is she? Call her.
They are provoking Deepu intentionally so that he humiliates Nayan more. But I won't let that happen. Hey, come for lunch.
No, I won't come.
Come on, let's go. You lived with the masters earlier. But Trineni, you are a servant like us now. Let's go and eat together. Come on.
No, I can't eat before him. Let me go and check if he's eaten. Okay, let's go.
Nayan! Nayan!
Hey, hold on.
Nayan!
Hold on. Deepu, she is not feeling well today. She will start tomorrow. Let her rest today.
Will you stop giving your opinion on everything, Pratima? Please?
Listen, Sanjukta, I'm a family member. I have the right to share my opinion about this family. Okay?
That seems to be Nayan's sari. She is hiding there.
Should I go inside now? They are arguing about me.
Aunt, she must start working as she joined today.
What?
Moreover,
You-
when she went to my room to sweep the floor, she didn't look sick at all. Rangana!
Coming, Deepu. Tell me.
Rangana,
Yes.
once we are done eating, she should clean all the utensils. Is that clear? I want spotless cleaning. Clear?
Hmm?
Why is Deepu trying to make Nayan do all the work? Does he only want to humiliate her? Or does he want her to be around unknowingly? Oh my. So you're hiding here.
Dripto, no matter what you say to me or how much you scold me, I'll tolerate everything. Still, I'm here for a reason. I'm here to protect you always. I won't leave without doing my job.
Enough, that's fine.
Deepu is a stupid boy. He doesn't know what he wants. He wants to get rid of you. But he's calling you. He's looking for you. He will definitely realize your value one day. He will definitely fall in love with you one day. Mark my words. Mark my words, Nayan. You won't have to lament forever. You won't.
Aunt Pratima showed me a ray of hope, Tripto. But I know it. I am not that fortunate. He will never love me. He'll love his new wife. May you be happy with her always. May you be happy. And I should protect you always. That's it. I'll be obliged if I can do that. I don't want anything else. This is enough.
I told you, Deepu. I will make you realize Nayan's value. Just wait and watch what I do.
Pratima has started it again.
Sanjukta, I feel irritated if one starts singing all of a sudden. I just don't like all this, you know.
You should put cotton in your ears if you feel irritated. Aunt will sing. This is such a nice song.
তুমি ছাড়া কেহ সাথী নাই আর সম্মুখে অনন্ত জীবন বিস্তার কাল পারাবার করিতেছ পার কেহ নাহি জানে কেমনে হে রয়েছ নয়নে নয়নে জানি শুধু তুমি আছো তাই আছি তুমি প্রাণময় তাই আমি বাঁচি যত পাই তোমায় আরো তত যাচি যত জানি তত জানি নে হে রয়েছ নয়নে নয়নে
Tripto, where are you going? Finish your food.
তোমারে পায় না দেখিতে
Listen, now we'll just sit and see the fun. That silly Nayan was singing that song. Now when Tripto will take her to task, we will have a lot of fun. That's when we'll have the real fun.
Aunt, what are you doing?
What do you mean? I'm just singing a devotional song in front of the idol. Why? Don't you like this song?
You're singing a song. Is this a devotional song?
Strange. Isn't it a devotional song? Have you forgotten it? I learned this from your mom, Deepu.
Right. Mom used to sing this song. I heard Mom singing this song several times.
I get it. I know why you don't like this song. Actually, the words seem to be true, don't they?
What?
You see, my heart doesn't get to know you, but you reside in my heart. Aren't these words true?
Aunt, it's of no use talking to you.
What? Listen, Deepu. Why are you running away? Listen to me. Did you get it? It worked, Lord. My song worked. Had Nayan not been there on Deepu's mind, then this song wouldn't have made such an impact on him. It worked.
Mother, Why do you eat from father's plate? Don't you hate eating from father's plate? Don't you have your own plate? Mother, tell me.
You won't understand, Nayan. Once you get married, you will eat from your husband's plate. Mark my words.
Why would I eat from his plate? I would never eat from his plate.
Don't say that, Nayan. If a husband and wife eat from one plate, their love becomes stronger.
Hey! What are you doing? Why are you eating the leftover rice? Didn't you eat properly, Nayan? Tell me, didn't they give you anything to eat? I asked them to take care of you properly. Let me teach them a lesson. Jyotika!
Hey, no. They didn't ignore me. Please don't get angry.
Why are you eating from Deepu's plate then?
Actually, I don't like wasting food. Lourdes resides in food. I can't let anyone disrespect her. That's why I'm eating it.
Listen! Friend, can I say something? This much won't be enough. Eat properly. It makes one strong. Understand? You need to be strong. You have to fight.
Fight? But with whom?
With mother and uncle. Listen, if they want to throw you out, you won't go anywhere. I am telling you.
Will they throw me out?
Yes, my friend. The outside world is not as good as you. It is very bad. Mother and uncle have conspired against you, that they will make you sign the divorce paper and then they will throw you out.
What are you saying, Rangana?
I've heard it myself. That is why I wanted to warn you. Listen, I'm telling you again. If they try to throw you out, you must not leave. I'm telling you.
No. I won't leave. I won't leave from here. I must stay here to protect him.
নয়ন তোমারে পায় না দেখিতে রয়েছ নয়নে নয়নে হৃদয় তোমারে পায় না জানিতে হৃদয়ে রয়েছ গোপনে রয়েছ নয়নে নয়নে নয়ন তোমারে পায় না দেখিতে রয়েছ নয়নে নয়নে
Strange. What are you doing here at this hour?
I told you, Tripto, that I will never ever leave you. You couldn't stop me from staying in this house. You may disown me, Tripto, but you can never get rid of me.
Who told you that? I'll get rid of you. I will get married soon. And my wife will throw you out.
Why are you waiting till your new wife comes, Tripto? Why aren't you throwing me out? Look, I'm right here in front of you. Throw me out, Tripto.
Hey, how dare you taunt me? Yes, I'll throw you out right away. I'll teach you a lesson.